Hello and welcome here to Lesson 8 on the Gaeilge Inniu app in the beginner course. Today we're going to have a look at how we talk about your hobbies and interests.
An-mhaith leat spórt.
Is breá rugbaí agus peil Ghaelach cad fút féin.
Ní maith leom chun an fhírinne a rá, ach tá an-spéis agam sa ceoil.
Cén sórt ceoil is maith leat?
Is breá liom popcheol agus snagcheol.
An-mhaith is rac-cheol and cineál is fearr féin.
Now let's go through those again. This time we'll take pauses for you to repeat after us. An-mhaith leat spórt. An-mhaith leat spórt.
Is breá rugbaí agus peil Ghaelach cad fút féin. Is breá rugbaí agus peil Ghaelach cad fút féin.
Ní maith leom chun an fhírinne a rá, ach tá an-spéis agam sa ceoil. Ní maith leom chun an fhírinne a rá, ach tá an-spéis agam sa ceoil.
Cén sórt ceoil is maith leat? Cén sórt ceoil is maith leat?
Is breá liom popcheol agus snagcheol. Is breá liom popcheol agus snagcheol.
An-mhaith is an rac-cheol and cineál is fearr. An-mhaith is an rac-cheol and cineál is fearr.
How did you get on with that one? Lots of new vocab there. Be sure to take a look at the English translations now that we're doing much longer conversations with more vocab each time, and match up the words as you can. You probably noticed, for example, the different types of music mentioned. Popcheol, meaning pop music. You'll notice the O is slightly different than English. Popcheol. Snagcheol is jazz music. And rac-cheol is rock music. Notice how they're all spelled as one word rather than an adjective-noun combination as you have in English. Popcheol, pop music, snagcheol, jazz music, and rac-cheol, rock music.
To give your opinions on things that you can say, for example, is maith I like, is breá I love, ní maith I don't like, and an ceann is fearr is even I really like.
Well done, you've come to the end of Lesson 8 of the beginner course of Gaeilge Inniu. Maithú hain, slán go fóill.
Bear bua, slán.